Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve questions of exercise 5.5 of class 12th of chapter 5 continuity and differentiability NCERT. So before starting, please subscribe my channel, press the subscribe button. Now here we have to find dy by dx of the given function. The function is x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. So in order to find dy by dx, we will differentiate this equation both sides with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we get, d by dx of x to the power y plus d by dx of y to the power x is equal to 0. Now here we have to find the derivative of x to the power y and y to the power x. So we will solve it separately. So now let x to the power y, z equal to x to the power y. Now we will differentiate it using logarithmic differentiation. So taking log both sides, log of z will be y log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get dz by dx equal to, now we apply product rule, differentiation of y is dy by dx into log x as it is plus y as it is, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. That will be equal to log x dy by dx plus y by x. So this implies now dz by dx is d by dx of x to the power y. This is equal to log x dy by dx plus y by x. So we mark it as second equation. Now we will find out differentiation of y by x. Now let t equal to y to the power x. Again taking log both sides, again we will apply logarithmic differentiation. So log of t is equal to x log y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we get, 1 by t. Here there is some mistake, log z, here it will be 1 by z dz by dx, so that we can write here d by dx of x to the power y will be, you have to write z here, and z is x to the power y. Now here 1 by t dt by dx will be, again applying product rule, differentiation of x is 1 into log y plus x as it is, differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx. So dt by dx will be t bracket log y plus x by y dy by dx. So this implies now t is y to the power x. So d by dx of y to the power x is y to the power x log y plus x by y dy by dx. This we mark as third equation. Now putting the value of derivative x to the power y and derivative y to the power x from second and third in first equation. So we can write here from first, second and third. Now d by dx of x to the power y is x to the power y log x dy by dx plus y by x, then plus from third equation d by dx of y to the power x is y to the power x log y plus x by y dy by dx equal to 0. Now from here we will find out the value of dy by dx. Now open this bracket. So we get x to the power y log x dy dx plus, now multiply x to the power y into y by x. So one power will cancel out. We will get left with x to the power y minus 1 into y plus y to the power x log y plus, now here again one power will cancel out, y to the power x minus 1 x dy by dx equal to 0. Now dy by dx, the terms involving dy by dx, we keep them on left hand side and taking out dy by dx, we will get x to the power y log x plus y to the power x minus 1 into x equal to minus x to the power y minus 1 y and minus y to the power x log y. Now from here we get dy by dx equal to, take minus common, x to the power y minus 1 into y minus, plus, we have taken minus outside, y to the power x log of y upon x to the power y log x plus xy to the power x minus 1. So this is the required dy by dx. So this completes the 12th question. Now 13th question. Here we are given y to the power x equal to x to the power y. Now here again what we do, we can do it directly also, taking log both sides. So what we get, x log y equal to y log x. Here x will come forward and on right hand side y will come forward. Now differentiating with respect to x. So what we get, apply product rule here. Differentiation of x is 1, log y as it is, plus differentiation of log y will be 1 by y, x as it is, and differentiation of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx equal to, now differentiation of y is dy by dx, log x is as it is, plus y, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Now this implies log y plus x by y dy by dx equal to log x dy by dx plus y by x. Now again we take terms involving dy by dx to one side, taking this log x dy by dx to left hand side and log y to right hand side. Now taking dy by dx common, we are left with x by y minus log x equal to y by x minus log y. So this can be simplified. This becomes dy by dx in the denominator y, x minus, it can be written as y log x. And here also in the denominator we take x and y minus x log y. We can write it this way. So from here we get dy by dx equal to y minus x log y by x, and taking this term to right hand side we get multiplying this, because here it will get invert, it will invert itself when we take it to right hand side. It will become y upon x minus y log x. So that can be written as y minus x log y upon x minus y log x. This is our dy by dx. So this is the required differentiation. This completes 13th question. Now look at the 14th question. Now in 14th question, again we are given two functions, cos x to the power y equal to cos y to the power x. So again we take log both sides. Taking log both sides, we will solve it by logarithmic differentiation again. So it becomes y will come forward, y log of cos x equal to x log of cos y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. What we get? Now again applying product rule. So y, differentiation of y is dy by dx, log cos of x as it is, plus y as it is. Now differentiating log cos of x, that will be 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Here we have applied the chain rule. Differentiation of log cos x will be, cos x will go in denominator, 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. That is equal to, now differentiation of x is 1, log of cos y as it is, then plus x as it is. Now differentiating log cos y will be 1 by cos y into differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx. Again we can see differentiation of x is 1, log of cos y will be as it is, then plus x as it is, log of cos y will be 1 by cos y into differentiation of cos y will be minus sin y dy by dx. So this can be written as dy by dx log of cos x plus, now this there is a minus sign, so minus y, sin x by cos x can be written as tan x equal to log of cos y, then again minus sin by cos is tan y dy by dx. Now again taking terms involving dy by dx to one side, so dy by dx log cos x, this term minus x tan y dy by dx comes to left hand side, so it becomes plus x tan y dy by dx equal to log of cos y, and this minus y tan x will be plus y tan x. Now taking dy by dx common, and inside we get log cos x plus x tan y equal to log cos y plus y tan x. So our dy by dx becomes log cos y plus y tan x upon, this term will go to right hand side in the denominator, log cos x plus x tan y. So this completes, this is the derivative we are getting, y tan x. This can further be written as y tan x plus log cos y upon x tan y plus log cos x. So this is the required differentiation, the value of dy by dx we are getting. So this completes question number 14. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel, press the subscribe button and like and share this video. Thank you.